Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. I'm just going to do a video on everything that I've brought from the range today because I'm absolutely obsessed with the range. Like, when I say obsessed, literally obsessed. I went there today, and you know, the pink stuff is the best thing when it comes to cleaning, because it's actually like a thick paste and it's vegan friendly, which is very important. As you can see, it comes with the batteries, the miracle cleaning paste. I think it comes with 2. Okay, good. 2 for the price of 1. Wow. And it comes with like, this almost looks like a toothbrush, but obviously it's not. Give me a second, guys, whilst I get it out. And as you can see, it comes with different heads that you can actually change it so it can fit whatever best you're cleaning. As you can see, you've got a broader head, a medium head, and a smaller head. And as you can see, when you just press this button, it comes on, then it will really, you know, get between the crevices of the dirt. I'm going to be using this to actually clean my bathroom. I also brought a new bathroom mat. Oh, it's fallen. This is a bathroom mat. And it was £12. And I just love the fabric, and I just love how it actually just looks. Right, let me just lay it out properly so you guys can actually see. Right. And it's a 2-piece bath mat. And it's a pedestal mat, and it's anti-slip. It's gonna look so nice in my bathroom. I actually cannot wait to lay it down. So what I'm gonna do first, guys, I'm just going to start off by cleaning all the crevices. The shower, the bathtub, it's all in one anyway, because I really like when my tiles shine. So guys, now what I'm going to show you next is the really huge shower head, but you know, I'm going to show you that last. The box says perfect for sink and taps, bathroom tiles, kitchen hobs. So this brush here is the soft brush head, large brush head, and medium brush head. And this is a firm cone brush head, right? And as I said, these are really going to get to what you want to get to, because nothing beats a paste. Now if I turn it around at the back, you can see it just shows you what each head deals with. So the medium head is like the crevices of the, you know, the tiles. The large brush head that goes really well, you know, in between small crevices. The firm cone brush head, that's just really good for like the smaller sections and the bits that you can't really get to. And the soft brush head is for like glass and so forth. So guys, I'm going to be using all of this today. I also brought a roll holder. Really nice in the bathroom, and a large chrome effect shower head. Guys, I just love big shower heads. It just looks much more better, you know, it's better. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, I've taken off the other mat. These floors are going to get redone. The floor is a bit wet because I've sprayed some sif on the floor. We'll just ignore that, but I'm just showing you that this is just where I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to be taking all of this stuff up. When you're cleaning, you really want to start off with just moving everything away from the tub. So I'm going to start off by removing this, putting this on the floor. Just put it there. Then move this. This is David's little stuff. You know how these men are. And then just this. So now you've got like a clear place to work. You can really get to it. Just forgot to show you guys this. This is something else that I also brought because I'm absolutely obsessed with baths. And this is a fresh lavender relaxing soothing bottle bath. I can't wait to use it. I cannot wait. So guys, I've put the batteries in and for some reason it's not working. Maybe I've put the batteries in the wrong way in regards to positive and negative, but I'm pretty sure I've like put it in like the right way. But I'm still gonna go ahead and use the products because I'm accustomed to doing everything like manually anyway, so I can put more pressure on it and really get to those crevices. So let's go and try. So guys, I have already sprayed some Dettol spray on the tiles and the bathtub. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and obviously wet the brush. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do it whilst, you know, videoing. But I really want to get in those crevices. That's why I literally said, like, there's no point doing it with the batteries because you won't be able to do it like as hard as you really want. Like, some people might say, oh, why are you not focusing on the towels? Because I'm really just focusing right now on the crevices, because these are what is like really bothering me. So I'm gonna do the whole bathroom, then yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So guys, this is just what I've done thus far. Obviously it needs a lot more work, and you probably take more than one go to get it like perfect. But yeah guys, I would just say use a bigger brush instead of what they give you if you really want good results. But yeah guys, I'm gonna carry on. So guys, I've managed to go all the way to the top, so you probably can't see. But yeah guys, let's see how it looks once I've fully done everything. Guys, it also cleans line scale really well. Like, seriously well. Right, for the bits that the hose won't reach, I'm going to do it manually again. Guys, I had a lot of line scale here, a lot of build up, and this has done a really, really good job. going to go over my towels again tomorrow to just, you know, just reinforce anything. I'm not going to go over this because I am literally replacing this, so I don't need to worry with that. And I'm going to put on that really nice big shower head. Just like it's brand new, guys. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've got much more videos coming your way. The towels are going to need some more work. I'm going to be doing it every day until I see like a much bigger difference. But guys, please, please, please subscribe, share my videos. Don't forget to comment. If you have any more ideas of any more videos I should make. And don't forget that I've got a flat tour coming up, or as they say in America, apartment tour. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I've sort of finished with the bathtub. As I said, it's going to take a couple of weeks perhaps to get it completely perfect, but I'm now going to start on the basin, and let's see how much cleaning we can actually get done and how effective pink will be, because there's also a bit of lime scale as well. Right guys, let's get to work.